Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Marshall Emberton Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. This can fix a lot of issues if you're having problems with it not connecting to Bluetooth or not connecting to your device, or if there's something wrong with the sound, if it keeps disconnecting. All of those kinds of issues can be fixed with a hard reset very often, and it's very easy to do. So all we need to do with our Marshall Emberton in order to do a hard reset on it is we are going to make sure that it is turned on. And then we're just going to come over and press and hold the Bluetooth button and just continue to press and hold it. So it was on when we started pressing and holding it. And all we're going to do is just continue to press that button until it turns off. Once it's turned off, then we can just wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. And since we did a hard reset, it will have forgotten all of the devices that it was paired with. So then you can just proceed to re-pair it with whatever devices you wish.